Are you searching for an enriching summer experience combining education with excitement? Welcome to the Young Fan Computer Coding Summer Camp, your gateway to a world where coding becomes an exhilarating adventure. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, giving your children a tech-savvy edge is essential. At Young Fan, we recognize the significance of coding in shaping their future. Our pioneering summer camp offers a unique blend of education and entertainment, where coding isn't just a subject but an enthralling journey of discovery. Picture this: your child eagerly delving into the world of programming, their eyes sparkling with curiosity as they unravel the mysteries of coding. With our expert instructors and state-of-the-art curriculum, we ensure that every session is educational and enjoyable. At Young Fan, we lay the foundation for your child's tech journey, equipping them with invaluable skills that will serve them for a lifetime. And rest assured, it's not all about screens. We believe in fostering creativity, critical thinking, and social interaction, essential components of a well-rounded education. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.